Welcome back to our channel, friends. Today we're diving into the world of natural detox with whole foods. Discover simple, delicious recipes to cleanse and revitalize your body. Get ready for vibrant smoothies, soothing teas, and satisfying salads. These recipes will leave you feeling refreshed and energized. Taking care of your body is an act of love. Ready to hit the reset button? Let's get started. Kickstart your detox with a green detox smoothie, packed with leafy greens and fruits, a supercharged vitamin boost. Spinach, kale, and romaine sweep your digestive tract. Add sweetness with banana and apple. Fruits are nature's candy, full of antioxidants. Lemon juice adds a refreshing zing. Blend until smooth and creamy. Enjoy as a healthy breakfast or afternoon pick-me-up. Feel energized and light? Next up, we're brewing a pot of soothing lemon ginger detox tea. This aromatic tea is not only comforting but also a digestive powerhouse. We're using fresh ginger, a warming spice known for its ability to calm the stomach and reduce bloating. Lemon, with its tangy brightness, is a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins and boost your immune system. The combination of ginger and lemon creates a symphony of flavors that is both refreshing and invigorating. Simply simmer sliced ginger and lemon in water for a few minutes. Then strain and sip on this soothing elixir throughout the day. You can enjoy it warm or chilled. It's the perfect drink to support your body's natural cleansing process. Let's move on to a vibrant and flavorful beetroot salad that's not only delicious but also incredibly detoxifying. Beets are a nutritional powerhouse, known for their ability to cleanse the liver, our body's natural detoxifying organ. They're packed with antioxidants and fiber, which help to support healthy digestion and eliminate waste products. For this salad, we're using roasted beets, their natural sweetness intensified by the roasting process. We're combining them with peppery arugula, creamy goat cheese, and a sprinkle of toasted walnuts for a satisfying crunch. A simple lemon vinaigrette adds a bright and tangy finish. This salad is a feast for the eyes and a treat for your body. Now let's create a nourishing quinoa and veggie bowl that's packed with plant-based protein and fiber. Quinoa, an ancient grain, is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. For this bowl, we're using cooked quinoa as the base and loading it up with a rainbow of colorful vegetables. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and leafy greens. The more variety, the better. A drizzle of tahini dressing adds a creamy and nutty flavor. This bowl is a complete meal in itself, providing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. As the day winds down, let's indulge in a comforting and healing turmeric golden milk. This golden elixir has been enjoyed for centuries for its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric, the star ingredient, contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has been linked to numerous health benefits. We're combining turmeric with warming spices like cinnamon and ginger, which not only enhance the flavor but also provide additional health benefits. A touch of black pepper helps to increase the absorption of curcumin. Simply simmer these spices in your choice of milk, almond, coconut, or dairy, and sweeten with a touch of honey or maple syrup. Sip on this golden milk before bedtime and let its healing properties work wonders while you sleep. Let's start our day with a creamy and satisfying avocado and spinach smoothie that's both delicious and detoxifying. Avocado, a good source of healthy fats, helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, while spinach provides a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals. This smoothie is a great way to sneak in some extra greens, especially if you're not a fan of salads. We're blending together ripe avocado, baby spinach, a frozen banana for creaminess, and your choice of milk. A squeeze of lime juice adds a refreshing tang. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients and a delicious way to start your day on a healthy note. For our final detox recipe, we're making a comforting and nourishing detox soup that's loaded with vegetables and bursting with flavor. This soup is like a warm hug for your body, helping to flush out toxins and boost your immune system. We're using a variety of vegetables like carrots, celery, onions, and leafy greens, all of which are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A light vegetable broth forms the base of the soup, and herbs like parsley and cilantro add freshness and flavor. Simmer all the ingredients together until the vegetables are tender, then blend for a creamy and satisfying soup. This detox soup is a delicious and easy way to give your body a nourishing reset. There you have it, friends. 7 powerful and delicious whole food recipes to help you detox naturally and feel your best. Remember, taking care of your body is a journey, not a destination. These recipes are simple to make and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, listen to your body, nourish it with wholesome foods, and embrace the power of natural detox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips. Stay healthy and vibrant.